Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel, Rexy TV. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, or you've been visiting this channel, you haven't added your subscription. Kindly subscribe and then share this video after watching it if it's useful to you. Alright, so we'll be taking how to design a product flyer, an advertisement flyer, a very nice social media advertisement flyer. So I'll change the color of this background because this is not the color we'll be making use of for this design. So I can just change the color to white. Good. And then I'll go to shapes. Tap here, then go to shapes. I'll take this square shape. Then this is the color I'll be selecting from the gradient. I'll select this purple color. If you want to know how this color was combined, you can just tap on this plus sign, choose here, and then tap here. Select this color to purple, and then choose this particular area, select pure black. That's how the color was combined. All right, good. So I will increase the width and then place it here, place it this way. Good. Then I'll have to lock this so it won't be moving about. Then I'll pick the materials we'll be making use of for this design. So I can just go to my gallery, simply check the description of this video. You will see all the materials there. So I'll pick this, reduce the size, and place it here. You can just increase the size a bit. Good. So I'll pick another one. I'll pick this. Reduce the size in such a way that it will be the same size with the first one. Then place it here. Also, I'll pick the last one, which is this, and apply the same thing as I did before. Good. So I'll go down to stroke. I'll select this and then go to stroke, enable the stroke and select yellow. Increase the stroke width to 3. Good. Then apply the same thing here. Increase the stroke width to 3. And also the same thing to this. Good. I can just use this position to adjust it well. I will also adjust this. Good. So the next thing I'll be picking here, I'll go to my gallery. I'll pick this, crop it out a bit in order to reduce the working area. You can just crop this and then mark good. So I'll reduce the size and place it here. I'll increase the size a bit. Good. Then place it here. Then go down to opacity and reduce the opacity to 30. Better still, I will leave it at 28. Then lock it so it won't be moving about. I'll lock everything here. Good. So the next thing I'll be adding here is the name of this company, which is exceptional. Okay, I'll change the font. I'll be selecting this font. Good. Then increase the size to make it to fit in to occupy this space. Then change the color to this. Good. I'll pick another text. Then edit hairs and collections. Okay, so I'll change the font again. I'll select this and make it bold. Also, change the color because we are making use of purple, so I can just select a purple color. Good. Reduce the size to be able to fit in here. Good. So I'll have to copy this heading because I'll be making use of this same font. So I'll copy it and then edit specialties on. Okay, I'll change the color to yellow and then reduce the size. I'll pick a shape, so I'll go to shapes, pick this square shape, then reduce the width and place it here. Also, I'll change the color. I'll be selecting this gradient purple also because that's the color we are making use of. Good. So I can now place this in front of this. I'll reduce the size a bit. Good. Then move this here to be able to balance well. Good. So I'll still be making use of this particular font. So I can just copy this and then edit. Which is the categories of hair they are dealing. So I can just fill everything here. Human hairs, wigs, Brazilian hairs, Brazilian wool, then I can just fill in the rest, which is bone straight hairs, and lastly we have this short wigs. I can just impute this, which signifies and so on. So I'll change the color to black. Good. Then I'll highlight these and then choose a purple color. So I'll just be highlighting this to change the color. Good. Then adjust it and place it here well. I'll still copy this because I'll still be making use of it, and then edit, which delivery is nationwide. Okay. I will also copy this, or better still, I will go down to text background color, enable it, and then choose this purple gradient. Good. I can simply reduce this a bit and then place it here. Then go down to shadow, enable it, and then select a purple shadow. You can just shift it this way and this way. Good. So the next thing I'll be adding here is the location and the contact of the owner of this business. So I can just go to my gallery and then pick the icon. I'll pick this, reduce the size, and then go down to erase color. I will enable it. Once you enable it, all the white color will be erased. Then, but that's not what I want to erase. So I want to erase this green color and just place it here and then mark good. You see that all the green colors have been erased. So I can simply change the color now to purple. Good. I'll place this here. Then I will import the second icon. You can check the description for all these materials, right? Good. Then change the color also to purple because that's the color we are making use of for this design. Reduce the size and then place it here. So I can just go to text. You can simply add the WhatsApp line of this person. Okay, I can just add my number. Then make it bold. And then change the color. Add a color to it. I'll be adding black color. Good. Just reduce it a bit and place it here. I'll copy this also. Then add the location. And just add your location here. So in designing a flyer, it's not necessarily that you make use of too much font or too much color in order to make it look professional and not to bug it with a lot of colors and a lot of font, so it will look neat. So thank you so much once again for being here. Thank you once again for watching this video. For you to save this design, you can just tap here, save it as image. Then you can save with PNG and Ultra, but I prefer saving with PNG and medium. Or if it's something you want to print, you can just save it as JPG and default or JPG and custom. That's if you want to print it out. So thank you once again. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. More videos will be uploaded on graphic design and how to design a logo mockup and the rest of it. So don't forget to get in touch and share this video, share this channel. Thank you once again.